In the vast and often complex landscape of media, understanding the various outlets and their focus is key to consuming information effectively. The term Patriot News Network might bring to mind several different things, as patriot can evoke various meanings, from local community pride to specific political leanings. As a project management expert, I understand the importance of clarity and defining scope. So let's break down what the Patriot News Network generally refers to and its different manifestations. It's crucial to acknowledge that there isn't one single, monolithic entity universally known as the Patriot News Network. Instead, the term can refer to a few distinct media outlets, each with its own history, focus, and target audience. This can lead to confusion if one isn't precise. 1. The Patriot News, Central Pennsylvania, USA. Perhaps the most established and historically significant entity that uses Patriot News in its name is the Patriot News, a prominent newspaper serving Central Pennsylvania, United States. Its roots trace back to March 1854, making it one of the oldest and largest newspapers in the region. What it is: the Patriot News is a traditional newspaper that has adapted to the digital age. While it still prints editions, typically Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays, a significant part of its operation is now focused on its online platform, PennLive.com. It's a regional news organization that covers a broad range of topics relevant to Central Pennsylvania. Its focus: as a local news outlet, the Patriot News focuses on local news and events. This includes municipal government, community happenings, crime, and human interest stories specific to the Harrisburg-Carlisle metropolitan area and surrounding counties. Investigative journalism. They have a history of impactful reporting, including investigations that have led to changes in state law or exposed significant issues. Sports. Extensive coverage of local high school, college, and professional sports. Business and economy. News relevant to the local business community. Opinion and editorials. Providing commentary on local and national issues, often with a center bias according to media bias rating organizations, though community feedback sometimes suggests a lean right perception. Relevance from a project management perspective. For a project manager working on a regional initiative in Central Pennsylvania, understanding the Patriot News and PennLive.com is vital. For stakeholder communication. It's a primary channel for reaching the local public and key stakeholders. Public relations. Managing perceptions and disseminating information about projects that impact the community. Environmental scanning. Staying informed about local issues, regulations, and community sentiments that could affect project success. Risk management. Identifying potential public opposition or support for projects. 2. Patriot in broader media and political contexts. Beyond the Patriot News newspaper, the term Patriot News Network, or similar variations like Patriot News Radio, Patriot.tv, can also refer to various media outlets that align with a specific political ideology, often associated with conservative or patriot movement perspectives. These are typically distinct from the long-standing newspaper. What they are: these Patriot networks are generally digital first, including online news websites, publishing articles, analyses, and opinion pieces. Conservative talk radio channels, like SiriusXM Patriot, featuring hosts with conservative viewpoints. Streaming platforms, such as Patriot.tv, as of recent news, affiliating with conservative broadcast media and journalism, which aims to provide truth, freedom, and empowering narratives through video and written content, primarily targeting audiences seeking alternatives to mainstream media with a conservative bent. Their focus. These outlets primarily focus on political commentary and analysis, often from a conservative or libertarian viewpoint, discussing national and international politics, culture wars, and social issues, covering topics like freedom of speech, gun rights, traditional values, and critiques of progressive policies. Alternative narratives, presenting news and perspectives that may differ significantly from mainstream media narratives, sometimes emphasizing themes of government overreach, constitutionalism, and individual liberty. Advocacy, often acting as platforms for specific political movements or causes. Relevance from a project management perspective. When dealing with projects that have a political or societal dimension, particularly in regions where such networks are influential, a project manager might need to consider public opinion and sentiment. These networks can shape and reflect the views of a significant segment of the population, which could impact project acceptance or opposition. Communication strategy. Tailoring messages to resonate with or address concerns raised by audiences who consume content from these sources. Stakeholder mapping. Identifying groups or individuals who are influenced by or align with the perspectives presented by these networks. Reputation management. Understanding how project narratives might be framed or interpreted within these media ecosystems. Clarifying the network aspect. The network part of the name can be applied differently. For the Patriot News, the network primarily refers to its expansion from a print newspaper to a multi-platform digital presence, penlive.com, social media, etc., under the PA Media Group brand. For the politically aligned Patriot News Network variations, network implies a collection of content creators, shows, or platforms united by a shared ideological focus, often aiming for wide distribution across various digital channels. Websites, YouTube, Rumble, Truth Social, X, Roku, etc.